the disgrace, embarrassment, and of course, the greed that we have seen so far on the matter between singer Portable, are we going to call him upcoming? Well, whatever. And the late Alaafin of Oyo's wife, one of the women, the younger ladies that he got during the last moment of his life. I'm talking of Dami. There are people who are taking sides with Dami. They say, oh, look at her skin, look at this. And I'm like, well, maybe they have something. Oh, look at her skin. You should have gone for a much more respectable person. And I'm like, skin? It's the brain that matters. Whatever it is that is in your brain is what determines what you will do, regardless of your skin, your brain. I think Dami's brain is sort of connected to that of Portable. If not, what is this rubbish? Talking about rubbish, well, I want you to hear from Portable, what Portable said, how Portable dropped it. This is unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll be shocked at what you're about to hear. Please like and share. Tap on the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Returning subscribers and those that have been here, I say a very big thank you to you. And to those that have tapped on the thanks button, the one with the love icon, the last sign in the middle of it, may God bless you. May God replenish your pockets. If you also want to be a part of this, you like what we do on this platform, and you want to encourage us to do more, you can as well tap on the same button. Let us get right into it. This is a lesson, a huge one, a big lesson. To those ladies out there who only think of money, they want soft life, and they are ready to go all the way.
Hello. So, now you sabi talk. When me and you meet, ìgbà pàdé, bó láti pàdé, báwo la ṣe pàdé. Hookup kọ́ la fi pàdé ni. Ṣó yàwé ìyẹn ẹ̀wọ́. 2 years ni mo fi bọ́ ẹ, mo họ́ ẹ. Bí wọ́n bá họ ẹja làwa máa ń dúró. Ẹja la máa ń jẹ. O understand? Ìgbà tí mo wá rí ẹ bí ẹja, o fojú jẹja ni. Àṣé egun ni ẹ, yọ egun ni ẹ. Mo wá họ. Olóyún ṣe ló ń ṣẹ́. O rọ́mọ bí. Kò gbọ́ pa, kò gbọ́ pó, kò gbọ́ kò yé kò pa. Enterprises adẹ̀náwó adẹ̀nára. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Bá a ṣe pàdé jẹ́ ń gbé débẹ̀, I will take meat. Did you remember my friend? You come. You dey disturb my friend, say you wan meet me ni. Àbóyáwé. Wọ́n fi bí sọ ẹ̀hàn mi ni. Gbàtọ́ fi bí sọ ẹ̀hàn mi, wọ́n ní pé mo dẹ̀ ní ó yá kó wá. Wọ́n náà ń bọ̀ pẹ̀lú ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀. You dey come with your friend. Mo dẹ̀ sanwó Uber. Gbà tó dé, mo fi ẹ́ sí lọ́lọ́. Ìwọ wà one room. Ọmọ dọ́ta tó mú wá náà wà one room. Mo pa dọ́ta ẹ ní yàrá ọ̀tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀. Ṣó ń gbọ́? Ṣó mọ̀ àbó ó mọ̀? Ìgbà tó tún wá lẹ́lẹ́kejì, mo tún pa dọ́ta ẹ, mo pa wọn náà. Ló ní kí n dà mọ́yàwó tọ́. Ń gbé kí n jọ. Kí n jẹ̀ tó pa ẹ̀yìn fáǹsì mi, mo wo fóònù ẹ̀, mo sáàṣì fóònù ẹ̀ kí n tó dó. Mo wá rí pé àṣé bí gbódà gbéyàwó ọba ní lákè yìí o. Ọba lèmi náà, mo náà bá ba lórí ohun gbọ́. So you sabi talk, how we take meet. Ìwọ ló mọ bá ṣe pàdé, bó ṣe lè sọ. Ó yá, jẹ́ ká sọ bá ṣe pàdé. Lifestyle olóṣókọ́ ló ń ṣe hookup ní àgọ́ ni. Ó yá jẹ́ ìgbé ẹ̀ débẹ̀. Ṣé tí bá dárúkọ gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní list yẹn number 1 to 20. Àwọn tó lọ ń kí ọba ní palace. Àwọn olórin tó lọ ń kọrin fún ọba ní palace. Ẹ̀yin fásitì mi mo fọlọ́run bá ṣe lẹ́rìí kí tó dúró ọmọ yìí, mo search fóònù ẹ̀. Ó ní ó fọ́ fún mi. Can you give me your phone? Let me know more about you. Mi nǹkan lè gorí ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó ní ó fọ́ fún mi. Ó ní òkè ìgbà tí mo gba fóònù ẹ̀ ni mo rí pé mo rí picture ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Aláàfin, létà Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́. Mo ní ìwọ ọmọ yìí, ibo ló ti wá? Ó náà yọ ọba lòun. Mo náà yọ ọba bó? Ó ní late. Mo ní tó bá jẹ́ ọba yẹn ti kú, ó yá ọba bá lórí ohun gbogbo, after king na king. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sàn ọba lèmi náà, mo lè bá lórí ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ lómi bá ṣerú ẹ̀, ó máa bá lọ. Bọ́ mo lè bá lórí ẹ̀, ọba lèmi náà. Yes, I'm a king. Ọba ògo. Yes, rógo lára mi ní ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀. Òun ni mo ṣe wò pé ó yá jẹ́ serious pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Mo ní sọ ti bímọ bọ́ba, ó ní yes. Ó náà ti bímọ bọ́ba. Ó ní òun ò gba sálárì, òun ò gba pension lọ́wọ́ ọba. Ó ní ọba ti lé òun dànù. Kọ́ba tó kú. Ó ṣàṣìṣe má ṣe lọ́dọ̀ ọba àná. Ó ní eyín. Mo ní ó yá ọmọ ìta ló wá bẹ́ẹ̀ tọ́jú ẹ̀. Ó náà ò gbẹ́ anybody. Mo ní kí ló dé tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ ọba ò lè gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé ẹ. Ó ní òun ò pé ó sì ń gbóhùn tí òun sá kúrò ní palace ni. Ó yá ìwọ bóyá wà yìí mo gbẹ́sẹ̀ lé ẹ látẹnu ìní yìí lọ. Látijọ́ tó ti dé aṣọ mẹ́ta ló mú wá. Mo sọ́dà láṣọ, mo sọ́dà èèyàn. Jẹ́ǹgbẹ́ mo ń tọ́jú ọmọ ẹ̀, mo ń bọ́ bàtọ́ ọmọ aláàbò. Ẹ̀yin bá sì mi. I search Queen Dami phone. Ṣé mo yí àwọn èèyàn tí mo bá bẹ̀? Àwọn olórin Fújì tó ń jó. Àwọn alágbára Èkó tó ń jó. Ó ń wá. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé wá ìtàn fi ṣerú eléyìí tí mo bá lórí fóònù ẹ̀ àwọn àṣírí. Mi ò fẹ́ dárúkọ ni o. Kí Nàìjíríà má bàjẹ́, kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá má bàjẹ́. Ó wá lóhùn lóyún fún mi. Mo ní ìwọ lóyún dá padà. Ìwọ Queen Dami báwo lè máa lóyún? Fún mi fóònù ẹ kí n sáàsì ẹ kí n mọ ọkùnrin tó fẹ́ ni mo bá gbogbo àwọn pípù yẹn bẹ̀. Mo forúkọ bò wọn láṣìírí àwọn róòdù wà ń bẹ̀. Àwọn onífújì wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ń dó wọn. Mo ní wáì ó ní nǹkan tóun bá ní pálásì nìyẹn pé bàbá ò lè ṣe dáadáa mọ́ pé wọ́n máa ń bá bàbá ṣe ni. Nítorí ẹ̀ àwọn máa ń travel láti Ọ̀yọ́ lọ dókó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ibẹ̀ ni sórí yẹn ti jáde. Mo gba fóònù ẹ̀ like 3 days mi ò fún. Gbogbo àṣírí ayé yìí mo yóò fóònù ẹ̀. Mo bá lórí ẹ̀. Bó ṣe máa ń sẹ́ndì òbò fáwọn èèyàn tó ń sẹ́ndì gbogbo ẹ̀ la bá lórí fóònù ẹ̀. Ó ti yé yín. Ó yá mo rò pé ó yá I will change your life. Mo sọ fún mọ́mí ẹ̀ mo ní mọ́mí mo máa bá yín change your life ọmọ yín. Lóòótọ́ ó ti rìn àwa máa dá dúró. Ṣé ń gbọ́ ìfáǹsì mi eégún eléégún ni? Mo yọ síbìtì. Ẹja ni mo pè. Mo yọ síbìtì. Mo yọ bẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ààrẹ ran yọ ààrẹ jajẹ. Yes. Òṣì ó yá. Mo gbé sílé. Lóòótọ́ wà lé ibi tí bá fi sí ló ń gbé. Ṣé ń gbọ́ mi ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi? Bọ̀ ó láìkí polygamy ó lè báyé jẹ́ ó lè bọ̀run jẹ́. Ó bá mi jẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó mi. Òun ló kọ́kọ́ lọ gbé mi lọ fún Gistlover. Bóyá má ṣe ni. Ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi dín sọ́ọ̀rì wá àdé tán. Ó sì wá ó sì ń lọ ní gbogbo táàmù yẹn o. Ó lóun lóyún mo ní kó lọ yọ́ dànù tó ya wèrè ta ló lóyún fún. Gbogbo àwọn olówó ayé gbogbo àwọn alágbára ayé tó wà lórí DM èyí. Ẹ ṣì ṣáàtì láti gbogbo last month náà. Ó máa dìlítì gbogbo wọn kó tó wá bá mi rìn. Ló bọ̀ ó padà bọ̀ létà àpadà tún mìtì létà ló ní èmi jẹ́ kóhùn ṣẹ́yún o. Igbó yá. Mo ní tó lè serious. Ó ní please take me serious. Dàmí mọ́yàwó tán. Mo mọ̀ gbọ́ba ní ẹ ọba tún jọba lọ ọba nǹkan tí mo rí lára ẹ ó jọba àtijọ́ lọ ọba ìníníwọ ọba ògo níwọ dàmí tán mọ́yàwó. Mo ní ó yá má fọ́. Mo ní kọ́ lọ gbalé fún. Ẹ̀yin stúdíò ló ń gbé apákẹ́jì ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ wípé kó o máa yọ wá ló ń lọ ló ń bọ̀. Ẹ̀yin bá sì mi ó bá mi jẹ́ àwọn gẹ́ọ̀sì 10 ló lé lọ ń bá ipò dé tó bá gọ̀ ní wọ́n pé wọ́n ṣe sí ọ̀gá wọn jù báyìí ó lé wọn dànù ní gbogbo àwọn 10 girls ló lé dànù fún àwọn stáàfù ìyẹn ọ̀tọ̀ ó lọ mí gùn pẹ̀lú àwọn ìyàwó mi ó gba nọ́mbà gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó mi ó ṣe mọ̀ mi mọ̀ ẹ́ pẹ̀lú àwọn ìyàwó mi ìyẹn Queen Dami mi ìdẹ̀ tí ìfi mi ò tí mú délé o. Ìgbà tí mo wá padà gbalé fún ó ń lọ lé àwọn àṣàbí tẹ́ǹgbọ́n ó ń lọ díjọ́ tí ó lọ lé àṣàbí lẹ́ẹ̀mẹ́ta ìyẹn àṣàbí sípù ìyẹn ò kámẹ́rà ẹ o. Níjọ́ tí àṣàbí sípù lọ lé ẹ̀ ó kámẹ́rà àṣàbí sípù ó sẹ́ǹdì ẹ̀ fún mi ó ní má fọ̀ àwọn ìyàwó ẹ ti ń wálé mi so àtijọ́ wà ní má fọ̀ ìwọ ló bẹ̀rù àwọn ìyàwó ẹ ó lọ bà mí jẹ́. Thank God pé mi lùsì bẹ́rájì tí màá di lùsì bẹ́rájì ọlọ́run bá ti ń jẹ́ lórí burúkú ni. Àníṣe ó bá mi jẹ́ fún bẹ́rájì ètì mi ọlọ́run ló ní kí bẹ́rájì lọ́ọ̀fù mi padà. Bí mo ṣe ń wọlé Queen Dami mo máa sọ fún ẹ̀yin fáǹsì mi òun ló tanná wọ́rọ̀ òun dẹ̀ máa gbọ́rọ̀. This girl Queen Dami ìgbà tí mo sáàsì fóònù ẹ̀ mo bá àwọn all this kind of different kind of story bẹ́ẹ̀ ìgbà tí ó wọ pálásì Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ bouncer ni boyfriend yẹ ìyẹn lọ bounce ọba ní ìgbà tó débẹ̀ ló ṣe kùrùkẹ́ ló wọnú àwọn èèyàn ọba ló gba nọ́mbà ló di pé ó di girlfriend ọba boyfriend di Queen Dami ìyẹn bouncer ó máa wọ́n ń dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún Queen Dami later ṣé ń gbọ́ gbogbo àwọn boyfriend yẹ tó bàjá ní school tó ti fún ní some great fast ẹ̀fọ́ ọlọ́mọ gbé ó máa ń fi ọlọ́pàá gbé wọn gbogbo àwọn bodyguard ọba ló máa ń fọ́ fi lù wọ́n ìgbà tó wọlé ọba jẹ mary ọba tún fẹ́fẹ́ lómi ilé lóníràn o ó máa lọ ń dókó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ òun àti òun ní kọ́kọ́ àtàwọn olórí ẹ̀ àwọn olórí tó kù ó náwọn olórí àgbà náà máa ń ṣe torí mo bá fà á pé kí ló dé ó ní bàbá ò lè ṣe làwọn olórí àgbà náà ṣe máa lọ ń ṣe é ta ó ní gbogbo àwọn bodyguard kan ló ń tó gba àwọn ìyàwó ṣẹ́gbọ́n ó ní pàwọn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n làwọn olórin torí ọba bá ti invite wọ́n máa wá ń jó wọ́n máa jó wọn tọ́ba lé dùn wọn wọlé wọ́n á dún wọn lọ dún wọn lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ láti Ọ̀yọ́ wọ́n máa lọ dókó lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé mo fi parọ́ ògúntàbẹ̀tẹ̀ ni mí mo mọ̀ kọ́ tí mo sọ Ifá Olúmọ̀pẹ̀ mo bá fà á mo ní ó ba yẹn jẹ́ ẹ bọ̀rù jẹ́ bọ́lá òun ṣe fún Aláàfin ní long life tó ẹ̀yin lẹ ṣọ́ọ̀tì ẹ̀ ni mo ní má wọ̀rí mo máa jẹ́ kó mọ̀ wípé nǹkan tó ṣe lọ́dọ̀ ọba ọjọ́ sí ò lè ṣe lọ́dọ̀ ọba bí ọmọ ìṣọ́ọ̀ṣì dànù ọba lè dànù ẹ̀yin bá ń sìn mí Queen Dami ló kó ló sówó palace ìyẹn lọ́dọ̀ Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ yẹn lé ọba kọ́ ló ń fẹ́ òun kẹ́ ọ Queen Dami ló kó ló sówó palace ó ní wọn gbọ́dọ̀ fẹ́ ẹlòmíì mọ́ òun mọ́ ó wá ń fi àwọn gẹ́ẹ̀sì yẹn ṣe polygamy ó wá fi wọnú àwọn ìyálé ẹ̀ ó fi wọnú àwọn ìyálé ẹ̀ débi pé mo wá bá a fà ó ní à bàtà àwọn ìyálé òun máa lọ ń dókó gbòòrò wípé nǹkan tó fi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ìdálẹ̀ ẹbẹ̀ nìyẹn pé bàbá ti dàgbà ṣẹ́gbẹ́ bọ̀ ó ní bàbá ló lọ mọ owó òun o ìlà èmi ni mò ń rán mọ́ skul ni mò ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ó fẹ́ palẹ̀ mi jẹ́ fẹ́ bọ̀nà mi jẹ́ gbogbo àwọn girlfriend ló ti lé dànù ó léyàwó dànù ọlọ́run ní kí àwọn ìyàwó mi má lọ ó ṣe polygamy olórí burúkú olóbùsán àwọn òbí ẹ wọn máa ké fún ẹ báyìí ni because they are not proud of you ó ṣẹ̀sín lọ́dọ̀ ọba àkọ́kọ́ ojú àṣẹ̀sìn lọ́dọ̀ ọba yìí ẹ wo ó fẹ́ báyé mi jẹ́ díẹ̀ lókù olórí burúkú ó ní mi ò tọ́jú òun 2 years mo fi gbé sílé mo ṣe ṣọ́ọ̀bù mo ṣe lé mo ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ó ń jẹun o mo bá tọ́mọ méjì ṣẹ́gbẹ́ ó tún gbọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ méjì mo bá tọ́mọ tó bí fọ́ba mo tún bá tọ́mọ bọ̀dẹ́ ó tún gbọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ méjì ìyẹn Queen Dami ó jẹ ó mu olórí burúkú kọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ bí ahọ́ keegun egun eléegun ààrẹ jajẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ lọ mọ́yọ̀ bá tì mí lọ ó ṣe ó wá ń sọ ẹgbẹ́ kínní mo dúpẹ́ o tí mo tọ́jú ilé tí mi gbàgbé ilé orí ẹ burú ilé tó fẹ́ bàjẹ́ tó lè dúró ọlọ́ba tiẹ̀ jẹ́ gbogbo jẹnẹrétọ̀ tó kó lọ o kó tv o kẹrù mi o kó gbogbo ẹ̀ ẹrú ni ẹ. ẹ̀yin bá sì bí bó ṣe ṣe polygamy ìyẹn Queen Dami bó ṣe ṣe polygamy lọ́dọ̀ ọba ìyẹn Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ débi pé ilé yẹn dùn ní ìgbà tó kó bẹ́ẹ̀ lóyún ṣíṣí ṣẹlẹ̀ tó wọ bẹ́ẹ̀ olóyún burúkú ó wọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìwéré ṣẹlẹ̀ ìwọ tẹ́gbọ̀n gba àwọn boyfriend yẹn lọ rán lẹ́wọ̀n ó ní kó máa lọ lù wọ́n ni báńsà ni boyfriend yẹn padà dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún ọba lèmi ọ̀gbẹ́ni ìyá wèrè dànù ó sáwọ́ Lẹ́kì ọmọ wa dókó Lẹ́kì gbogbo àwọn olówó Lẹ́kì lọ́dọ̀ screenshot gbogbo ẹ̀ wá lọ́wọ́ mi mo jọ gbogbo ẹ̀ òun ẹ̀yìn ìyẹn Queen Dami tó bá jẹ́ kó ṣe ó hùwà gidi lọ́dọ̀ ọba Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ ó yẹ kó máa gba pension ó yẹ kó máa gba salary ọmọ yẹn èmi ni mo bá bọ́ ọmọ yẹn èmi ni mo bá sanwó school best school number 1 school nínú àdúgbò lọmọ yẹn ń lọ ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ yẹn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò lè dá tọ́mọ yẹn o mo gbé yín débẹ̀ ni o ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ yẹn lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó rọ́mọ ọba ni kò lè dá tọ́ ọba dẹ̀ bá lórí ohun gbogbo bó dẹ̀ tọ́ náà ọba ló lọ́mọ bọ́mọ bá dàgbà ọmọ padà sí pálásì ọlá ọba ni mo fi tọ́jú ọmọ ọlọ́run abàtìwọ́ jẹ́ olórí burúkú òòrùn ọmọ bí òṣì ló ń ṣe ó sáàdì òbò báwọn èèyàn lọ́n lẹ́yìn ó ṣorí burú ó làbọ̀ ẹdú kó olóyún kó má fi bímọ kò yé kó pa sórí bàdàbà dúwẹ̀ pa ni èmi kẹ̀dẹ̀rẹ̀ mò ń dóyàtì gbogbo gbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ọkọ mi ẹ fẹ́ pa mí ni ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣé mo ṣẹ̀yìn tẹ́lẹ̀ ni kíngì ẹ̀dẹ̀ wa ń kàn mí báyìí ilé ìdẹ̀ ń kàn mí báyìí ṣé mo kàn ẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ mo kàn ní kí n kọ ṣéǹjì sáì pé kínní ni gbogbo gbà mo ń ṣéǹjì sáì gbogbo gbà mo ń dókun dá mi.
Wow. Did you hear what Portable spit out there? Now, I know some of the things that Portable said is for him to just win. He is hurt. He never believed that the Dami lady, I mean, the so-called queen, the so-called Olori, he never believed that she was going to walk away the way she did. How did it happen? They had this conversation on TikTok where he came and started screaming at her, calling her all sort of names like you are this, you are that, blah, blah, blah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to be polygamous? Meaning, are you trying to get some other person or persons into your life? And now, Portable talked about how he had checked the mobile phone of this lady when this lady said, "Oh, I'm pregnant," and he said, "Oh, let me check your phone. I need to be sure. I need to know who you are." That's the most stupid and most foolish thing. First of all, Portable might not know all of the ladies or girls, but if they had met on chat, because Portable is trying to say, you, I met you as an Olosho, meaning I don't even know who you were. I met you as an Olosho. These things are not adding up. I met you as an Olosho. There is a possibility of a conversation between both of them on Instagram or any of those social media handle. And I'm sure that Portable is not stupid. He would have tapped on that handle of this particular person and looked and realized that this person is with the late Alaafin of Oyo. That's on one side. Now let's assume that whatever it could be, brought them together. Portable is trying to make us believe that I took her phone, I checked, I saw some pictures and certain things that shows that she was with certain Fuji musicians, a lot of them. And I'm like, wait, how many Fuji musicians? Maybe 1 or 2 or 3, possibly. Like those people she would want to hang around with. And maybe some other people here and there. Hang around with this person, hang around with this person, hang around with that person, something like that. But Portable made it appear like, and Portable is trying to make us believe that she said to him, the king is weak. The king cannot service us. So I have to get some other people to service me. This type of lame, empty, rubbish talk here and there from Portable. Portable is not the kind of person that anybody in his or her sane mind should attach to. Portable is like a pig. People have said Portable needs to be cleaned, like he needs to be washed, like he always appears dirty. I'm not saying the color of his skin, but I'm talking about someone that needs to go for proper detoxification, cleansing, so that it can appear clean. But unfortunately, he's not. And Portable is always fighting. Let us assume that people want to rip him. People want to take advantage of him, and his mouth is the only weapon that he has. I do understand that, and this is his style. But the problem is, relationship-wise, Portable is not that kind of person. He's not that kind of person. And the truth of it, he said, after I searched, she came back, she said, you know what? I want to be part of your harem of women. And he said, okay. The truth of the matter is that Portable knows, apart from juju that he claims he has, Portable knows that this girl, apart from her having the same brain like Portable, this girl would never have had or wanted to have anything to do with Portable, if not because Portable has money to splurge. Portable has money to spend, like get me a shop, put me in an apartment, and let me be this, let me be that, give me money every month, every week, let me be fine, let me be okay, stuff like that. That's what she wants. This kind of girl, they don't work. They don't want to do any kind of job. They just want to live that life of enjoyment. I'm collecting here, collecting there. I have skin. What nonsense skin is this? So it's quite unfortunate. Portable, he has poured out a lot and a lot here. And some of the things is like to ridicule the late laughing, to ridicule this girl too, like you are this, you are that. The truth of the matter is Portable is hurt. He never believed that this girl was going to move out because he got home, like I was saying earlier. He got home and he realized that the lady left. He got home, realized that the shop locked and she has moved. So Portable is like, wow, so she moved. Portable is like, what did you bring to that house? You brought only some couple of fans here and there, and now you left, you took this, you took that, you left, you do this, you do this, you do that. You didn't even wait for me to come. If you had waited, I would have beaten you black and blue. And this is something that this lady also talked about, that there are days that she had come with a swollen face and lips, that it was Portable that beat her to stupor. That Portable beat her, she fainted. That's on one side. Now, the thing about juju, I don't think Portable is the only one that does juju anyway. But Portable has always bragged about this, like, I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. Like the book of the Christians will say, there is a way that seems right to a sinner and someone that wants to remain in dirt. And that way is the way of destruction. This has always been Portable's way. Is he going to continue doing his thing and making what he wants to make, wave, whatever? It could be. That is his life. That is his journey. But woe betides any lady that wants to get into the life of Portable. If you get there, it means you are the same. I am not blaming Portable on one side. Let me be sincere. I'm not blaming Portable. It takes two to tango. Portable did not fetch this girl like how you fetch water. This girl found Portable, came to Portable, and Portable drew her closer. And there's nothing special about this one. Anyway, there's nothing special about this girl. Some people are just hyping her based on how she had, taken herself and presented herself like, one of those, lack of focus kind of girl, saying that the king should change her life. Maybe one person has to change one person's life. But girls like this, women like this, ladies like this, they are not really something or someone that we have to now start putting on a high pedestal or make them. No, these are nothing. These are nonsense people.